Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today we will go to part 2 about how to create PID control on PLC S7-200 CPU 224 HP, part number 2. In the previous video, we already learned about how to create the PID block and tuning the PID control, yes, with PLC S7-200 CPU 224 HP by using Step7 MicroWin version 4 with page 9. And for today, we will create the touchscreen, yes, HMI, like setpoint, feedback, output, and manual setpoint, and button auto and manual mode for control from the HMI. Okay, and I also using the Step7 MicroWin version 4 with page 9 and WinCC flexible 2008 with page 3 for connect to the HMI. Okay, so let's go to our software to create the new program of WinCC flexible for create the HMI. So let's go. So I will use the existing project of PLC S7-200, yes, for PID control, yes, like this. And actually we can modify the parameter of this one before we create the HMI, right? So example, I can comment, yes, PID block control, yes, and I will modify some parameter, yes, some address for connect to the HMI. Okay, so here I can use the NO for button, right? Like this, and it is the mode, yes, mode control M20.1 on. It means that auto control, yes, and when it off, it manual control. Okay, and for manual control and auto control, I will move, yes, the output, yes, directly to output from the HMI, right? So I will insert the move, yes, move word. Okay, move word. First is the analog input, right? So I can move to VW 700. Yes, example like this. This is for PV, right? Feedback from the instrument. And I will move word more. Okay. If the auto mode, right? So this one should be on, right? So I will insert M20.1. Yes. When this one turn on, it means that auto mode, yeah, auto control. So I will move, yes, some word, yes, example VW800, yes, to the analog output, yes. And if this one is turned off, yes, M20.1 is turned off, then I will move the value from the touch screen, yes, for manual mode. Example VW900 to the analog input, analog output also, okay. And it will show the value on the HMI also, right, for output. So I will move, yes, to VW, example VW 1000, yes, and also move, yeah, this one to HMI also, right? So we should show the HMI with the address VW 1000 value, right? Okay, so that's all. Let's compile, yes. So no error occur, right? Okay, error 0. So we can create the HMI, yes, for test. So first we need to create the manual set point, yes, set point value and manual set point value, right? Okay, so let's go to HMI. Let open WinCC flexible, yes, and then create the empty project. And for this one I will use the panel, yes, my panel, my touch panel, yes, TP170B 6-inch color, okay. So first we need to create the connection, right? Okay, so double click on the connection and example HMI 1 connect to PLC 200, right? S7-200. From HMI, yes. And we will use the PPI, yeah, connection, and then choose the baud rate, yes. Normally I choose 9600 for baud rate, yes, and use the port IF1B, yes, and here is the address of the PLC S7-200 CPU 224 HP, yes. Okay, so let's go to create the text. So first is the set point, right? So SP is the real, right? Let's see here is the real VD 300. So real VD 300, yes. Set point value from HMI, yes. And the next is the PB, right? PB, so VW 700, yes. So PV process variable, it is the word, right? So word WW700. Okay, PV process variable. Yes, and one more for output, right? And manual set point, right? So manual set point WW900. So manual set, okay, WW900. So manual set point from HMI. Yes, manual set point from HMI. And one more for output, right? This one WW1000. So output, it means that analog output. So WW100, sorry, 1000 output to VSD, example output to VSD. And this one process variable from instrument. Okay, and one more for selection, right? So M20.0, yes, for command select auto and manual. So mode, yeah, mode control, mode CTL, it means that mode control, it is the boolean, right? So boolean M20.0, yes, mode control, right? Okay, so we can continue to create the screen. Yes, so first I will create the title. Yes, PID control for PLC S7-200 CPU 224 HP. Okay, and I will increase the font a little bit. Yeah, go to property, go to text, and then I will adjust to center, middle, and 12, example 12, and bold also, right? Okay, like this. Maybe adjust to 10, yes, or 11. Of PLC S7-200 CPU, yes. Okay, and let's go to the color. For change the color, example color red, like this. Okay, and then go to the text. Yeah, I can copy from here. So first set point, right? I will change color to blue. Yes, first set point, so I need to create the IO file, right? For set point, like this, and go to property, and then go to the background. I will change to black, and the text color I will change to green, and I will increase the font, yes, to 14, yes. Okay, like this. Okay, so we need to copy this one to another variable, right? So set point PB output and manual set point, right? Okay, totally 4. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. And the first one is set point. Yeah, I will align to be like this. Yes. So first set point. So let's go to input, right, for set point. Yes, set point. Like yes, format like this. Yes. And it should be property text should be middle. Yes, center and middle, right? Okay. And the second one is the PB, right? So PB, or we can say feedback. Okay, feedback. So feedback is the output, right? Okay. Input from instrument. So PB, yes. And like this also. So PB we need to scale, right? From 32,000 to 100, right? Okay, so let's go to here and then click here. Go to property. Go to linear scaling. And if PLC if HMI 100%, the PLC should be 32,000, right? Okay. And one more for output, right? So output or manual set point, right? Manual SP, yes. Manual set point. So it is the input, right? Manual set point. Yeah, it is the input. And we need to convert also, right? So what text that we need to use? So manual set point. Okay, this one we need to scale also, right? So go to linear scaling and then enable. And if the HMI 100%, the PLC should be 32,000, right? Okay, because we move this one to the analog output directly. Okay, so the last one for the output, right? So output. Okay, we need to convert also, and it is the output, right? So output and go to the rank. Yeah, convert also, linear scaling, and then go to enable the PLC to 32,000. Yes, 32,000, and the format should be like this. Okay, and actually this one is the unit, right? Example by, yes. PB is the unit also, yes. and the output and manual set point should be percent, right? 0 to 100%. Yes, should be like this. Okay, should be like this. And one more for button, right? Button mode control. Okay, for the button mode control, we can use the button. Yes. Okay. So example, this is a auto. Yes, auto mode. Okay, auto mode. And I will copy one more for manual mode. Okay, manual mode. Okay, good. Like this. Okay. So when press auto mode, right, the person M20.0 will turn on, right? Okay. So go to the release. Yeah. It will set, right? Set the bit mode, right? Set the bit mode control. Yes. And when the active, it should be change the color to, yes, animation mode control. Yes, it will change to, yeah, it will change to green, right? Okay. And one more for manual mode also. Yes, go to event and then go to release and then reset the bit, right? So reset the bit mode control and then we'll change the color also. Yeah, go to animation and this one mode control. 0 it will green and 1 it will red, right? It will no color, right? Okay, so good. Let's test. Save the project. Yes, I will save to desktop and then go to create a new folder. PID HMI. Yes, PID HMI. Okay, actually we can simulate to check the screen before go to download to the HMI, right? You see here is the so big, so it will hide then. So I will increase to, sorry, decrease to 10. Yes. .11, but not so big, right? Okay, like this. Okay, save again and then simulation again. Yeah, to check. Make sure it show like this before we download to the HMI. Yes, and I will adjust this one to be like center. Yes, like the center. This one also. Yes. Okay, and let download to the HMI. Yes, so to download to the HMI I will use the connection. Yes, convert from COM port to RS232. Yes, so let's connect it. Okay, so first let's go to check the COM port. Okay, right now I use COM7 for connect from my PC to the HMI for downloading. Yes. So to download to the HMI, let's go to here and then click download. Yes. And I will use the COM7, right? And this default baud rate, so we can click transfer. Yes. And we can confirm yes to download the project to the HMI, right? So if I confirm yes, yeah, you see the HMI is right now downloading. Yes, transferring. Yes. And then reboot, automatically reboot. Yes. And we can go to the PLC project and then download to the PLC. Yes. Okay, download. And start the project. Yes. Start the PLC and then we can online to check. Yes. So you see right now is mode automatic mode. Yes, because M20.1 is turned on. You see auto mode. Yes. And the set point is right now 0. Yes. So if I adjust the set point to example 50%. Yes. Yes, 50% or 50 bar. Yes. You see here is 50. And the PV right now show 66 bar. Yes. 66 bar. And we can go to the PID control panel. Yes. For see the train. Yes. PID control panel. And then here you see. Yes. Okay. Right now set point 50 bars. And the output is around 48%. Yes, 48%. So if I adjust the PV, yes, adjust the PV to less than the set point. Okay, less than the set point. You see the output is start increase, a little bit increase step by step, right? So let's see the status of the PLC and HMI. Okay, right now you see the PB and SB is nearly the same, and the output is 67%. Yes. So if I adjust the PB to be bigger than SB, yes, feedback, you see the output is decrease. Okay, start decrease. So if I adjust the set point to 90%, sorry, 90 bar, yes, example, you see the output is start increase because the feedback is less than set point, right? Okay, if I adjust the PV, yes, you see the milliamp is vary also, yes. Example 90%, okay, nearly 90%. Yes. You see, it vary about, yes. So if I would like to use the manual mode, I press manual mode, yeah, and I can set point, yes. Example 100%, yes. 100%. (900) VW 900. Okay, let me check. Okay, let's see the point of manual set point. Yes, I'm not yet insert it, so sorry, and correct this one. Yes, so manual set, yeah, and go to the property again. Okay, that's correct, and save the project again, and then download to the HMI again. Sorry for my mistake. Okay, forgot insert the take to the HMI. Yes, so it not work if we press the manual mode. Yes, so let's check again. Okay, okay, let's test again. So if I select to the auto mode and manual mode again, and I would like to the manual control, I can press the set point. Yeah, example 90%. Yes, you see the milliamp is vary to 18 milliamp, and if I would like to set the 50%, yes, you see, we connect directly to the analog output. Yes, okay. Example 100%. Yes, you see 20 milliamp. Yes, it error a little bit for milliamp. Yes. So this is a concept how to create PID control with a PLC S7-200, yes, CPU 224 HP, and I hope everyone will understand about this step and can do by yourself, yes. And if everyone would like to tune the PID, let's go to here and then press F1, yeah, to help, because here is the PID help how to tune, yeah. Example, I put the value of gain, integrate time, and deviation time, yeah. We can follow this one. Example 0.57, yes, 0.57, 0.16, right? 0.16, and we can update PLC like this and then click yes. And if I adjust the PV, yes, adjust the PV, we will see the output, yes, the output will come the same this graph, yes. You see this graph is smoothly when we tune like this, yes. It will up step by step until the same as the PV, yes. So thank you very much for watching my video, and if everyone have any question, please drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my channel also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. And I'm also sorry if I have mistake, because my English is not so good, so I'm so sorry. And for this time, I would like to say thank you very much again, and see you next videos. Bye bye.